We welcome you to Anambra State and thank you for the opportunity you have given us to spearhead this campaign and agreeing to talk to this teeming crowd of Anambra State. They know you are at home in Anambra State. They know you love the Igbo race. They know all your contributions from our business, from our politics. They know without you, no Igbo man would have been vice presidential candidate in any major party before now. And also know without you, it will be very hard for any Igbo man to become president in Nigeria. Therefore, we are here to tell you we are with you. Thank you very much. Anambra Gwen! Anambra Gwen! Anambra Gwen!
Nigeria, Your Excellency, incoming to welcome you very sincerely to Anambra State. Anambra is PDP and PDP is the Anambra State. I want to assure you that victory will be ours on the 25th of February 2023. PDP! PDP! Back to the people! Thank you.
The incoming president, Atiku Abubakar GCON, our brother across the Niger, OKOWA, Ekweme, and your beautiful wife, the national chairman, the chairman board of trustees, and other leaders of the PDP. I want to welcome our leaders across the country. As I welcome each and every one of you, you all know that Anambra is PDP and PDP is Anambra. I just want to say one more thing. In the year 2000, it was Vice President Atiku Abubakar who provided me with an aircraft to fly to Enugu and bring Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu to Abuja. And the mission was for Dim to come and make a strong case for Biafran officers and soldiers to be absorbed and retired. And that happened because the Vice President facilitated that. When Chris Ngige was detained or kidnapped, the Vice President was the acting president, and he ordered Balogun, the IG, to release Ngige immediately. Balogun now ordered the late Ngige, the AIG, to release Ngige. It is this same man who is our hero, who is here before us. So, we Anambrarians, if I know no Atiku Kaida to vote, Atiku Kaida to vote, Dalun.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Great people of Anambra State, we're here today, and I believe by the grace of God, history is about to repeat itself. In 1979, we had Ifeanyi Alex Ekweme as Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, alongside President Sheikh Usman Ali Shagari. Am I right? And today, we are here in company of great unifier, a man that is very competent, a man that is very prepared, a man that has the capacity, a man with the experience, not only to reunify Nigeria, but from the day one hit the ground running since he is the most prepared and most preferred candidate in this election to govern Nigeria. Along with him is our brother, my dear colleague and governor of Delta State, Dr. Atiku OKOWA. Alex Ekome had multiple competencies as a lawyer and architect. And Dr. OKOWA is a medical doctor and a seasoned administrator. He is your son, and you know it. As we speak today, by the grace of God, the most balanced ticket that is fair and reflective of the Nigerian dream is that of the PDP, Atiku OKOWA. I appeal to the people of Anambra State, therefore, to come out en masse February 2015, 2023 to vote for Atiku OKOWA and all of the candidates of the PDP. PDP, power to the people. God bless you.
By the grace of God, Anambra people are going to vote for PDP. Unsabu! 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 Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Governor OKOWA!
And the Anambra, ana make no my party. Unu na lulu na Anambra. I know what I see across the Niger and Delta states. Unu sinagari from community to community. In a campaign for a great party, the PDP. Party ayi, ewo butago, Atiku Abubakar as a presidential candidate. And I know, guy so weekend, guy will win the election in Anambra State. I know man, Atiku Abubakar, wasteful products. And he made the name as one, so Atiku, when you experience. Ogechi wepụta anyị n'ajọ ọnọdụ ndị APC gọọmenti butere anyị n'obodo Nigeria. Nna anyị Atiku o kwego nkwa na ọ ga-ewepụta nnukwu ego ọ ga-eji nyere ndị youth na ndị ụmụ nwaanyị aka, ndị na-azụ ahịa na ndị chọkwa bido small businesses. And ego bụ ọkụ ụkwa for $10 billion. Hallelujah! I'm not your home. Can you never be talking? When you saw weekend, guy will win the election in Anambra State. In the last 2 months, and they saw the party in Nigeria, who are very convinced PDP they win the national election. And now you know, don't get card. I will get sentiments. I got to equal PDP Akubon. Maswana go vote. Anambra got equal content among the number of states. PDP will victory. WIKELEAKS Jibia. They won. PDP, power to the people. PDP, PDP can get so. PDP can get so.
My people of Anambra State, lend me your ears. PDP started life by Anambra people. It is our leader, Dr. Atiku, who led 9 of us and 34 of us, including Atiku, to form this party. Anambra is PDP, and I'm happy with what I have seen here. Even Awka is the son of the PDP. In future, we shall bring all Awka people back to their home, which is PDP. I want to assure you that the Igbos, particularly Anambra people, have a big stake in Nigeria. There is no village in this country that you will go that you will not find an Igbo man who is a businessman. So the Igbos, in terms of business, are the more national people in Nigeria. You need every part of this country. And I like the indomitable spirit of the Igbo nation, particularly Anambra people. I believe that if we join hands together with us, under a very competent leader, an experienced leader, a man who is already your in-law, a man who is a businessman, a man who will ultimately take care of all security issues in this country, stabilize this country, I believe Nigeria will be a better place. There is nothing I need to talk to you that you do not know about this great Nigeria. Listen to him, give him your vote. Sometimes an in-law is better than your son. I believe that Atiku is going to change the climate of this country. And that's why we are here. We are very happy with what we have seen today. I have not much to say other than to say, hold your PVC, give us your vote, and come together and let's transform this great country. Thank you and God bless you all.
PDP! Ladies and gentlemen, can we jam our hands together as we invite the next president and a friend of the Southeast, Atiku Abubakar!
voice. PDP! Power to the people!
PDP!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Now, let me say a few, or make a few remarks. On our arrival today, we visited your governor, Professor Soludo, and he said to me, I know you are going to work, but make sure all the federal roads that pass through Anambra State are reconstructed. And I promise him I'm just going to do that. He said, make sure that you help us control our erosion, because Anambra State is the erosion headquarters of the world. Erosion is destroying our farmlands, is destroying our houses, is destroying everything we have. That is a very, very gigantic project. And I promise him I'm going to do that. And you know, I have worked with Soludo before. He is a first-class patriotic Nigerian. You have an excellent governor. He also appealed to me to make sure that Onitsha Port, this time around, unlike before, they will come and promise and go away. This time around, we are going to dredge River Niger and make sure Onitsha Port is functional. We are also going to make sure that we support Anambra State to industrialize the state, so that the state can create as many jobs for our young men and women. And besides, you know, I promised to set aside $10 billion US to promote small and medium scale enterprises for our young men and women so that they can be independent. The people of Anambra State, I am sure you know that I am going to be the stepping stone to an Igbo president in this country. I have shown it by my actions, because this is the third time I am running with an Igbo man. If you really want to produce a president, then vote Atiku OKOWA ticket.
Yes, sir.
So the people of Anambra State, I want to thank you very much for this wonderful reception. I never thought I would see such a crowd in Anambra State.
Right.
And believe me, we are not going to forget you, and we are going to reward you handsomely. So, please, I want you to do me one favor. If you know that you are going to vote honestly for PDP, can you raise your hand?
Everybody.
God bless you all.